How to use a long serve and attack. Welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. Playing a fast and long serve and then attacking strongly with the third ball is one of the best tactics in table tennis. This tactic can be used very effectively against the long pimple players. Serve long and attack strategy. You can beat your opponents with long serves. These are serves that land deep on your opponent's side of the table, ideally with a lot of speed and spin. Serve long and fast serve directly to the backhand side of the opponent and then attack the return ball. This is a very effective way to win more in table tennis. What is an effective long serve? A good long serve should be fast, low over the net, bounce close to the baseline of your opponent. The second bounce should land close to the end of the table where your opponent is, near the elbow of the opponent. The key to a fast long serve is to make sure that the first bounce is close to your end of the table. This means there will be enough room for the ball to go over the net and land on the other side. If your first bounce is too close to the net, the ball will also be slow and close to the net. Here is the demonstration from the Chinese coach, Coach Che Xiaoxi.
大家好，我是车小西。下面我给大家分享一下我打长焦的套路。首先打长焦，我肯定是以发长球为主，因为短球的话，它这么一磕我，球会过来有点飘。那个球如果是掌握不好的话，会很难去判断，因为它有旋转的变化。 基本上我都是以发长球为主，然后进行发球抢攻，这是第一个套路。就发完长球，它一磕，这个球一定要找起点，找着那个合适的点，然后去拉。因为长焦过来球都是反旋，像我发速度很快的球奔过去，它回过来的球就不是很转，这个时候我们就可以去抢攻。 这个球是最好抢攻的一个点。如果是发那种，假如说勾手啊，什么旋转特别强，它过来的球旋转也会很强，就不利于去抢攻。其实就是发球的时候，可以两条线长的奔球都可以去发，然后准备看球去抢攻。如果反手能力强的话，也可以反手去抢攻。可以反手去抢攻，因为这个球旋转过来的都不会很强。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.